Hi, I am Harsh. I am a consultant at Massive Rocket. Massive Rocket is a data and customer engagement agency, being one of the top Braze agencies in the world. We work with clients to maximize customer lifetime value. The data team at Massive Rocket, our mission is to analyze and build data pipelines that will make companies maximize customer engagement efforts in Braze. Today, we will show you a brief demo of how to power localization. The detailed agenda for today's session is to review options to power localization within Braze, specifically discuss how Google Sheets can be used for the same. Braze automatically collects locale information from user devices after integrating the SDK. This information is available in the Braze segmentation tool under country and language. With customers in many countries, handling localization early in your Braze journey can save you both time and resources. In terms of available options within Braze, we have manual entry, message by message, catalog feature, content blocks, and there is connected content with Google Sheets and providers or partners for implementation at scale. For public Google Sheet API option, here are the prerequisites. A public Google Sheet with a grid of text and languages, a Google Cloud project, API key with Google Sheet API access. Let us now look at a public sheet we will be using for today's demo. So here is the Google Sheet with a grid of language and text. As you can see, we have also added some identifiers here, and we will now quickly take a look at the code within a content block with a connected content to the Google Sheet and see how it utilizes this data. Here is the demo content block. As you can see, we have connected to the API with the help of the API key, the sheet ID, and the range of the data to be queried. The response of this is then saved in liquid local variable, which on assignment of the localized content is going to help us render the correct text based on the language and the type of message it is going to deliver. So let us now preview this content block for a custom user with a language, let's say Spanish. As you can see, as soon as I generated a custom user view with language Spanish, ES being the shorthand, you can see the message in the Spanish language. The selected message, of course, from the grid started showing up here. Similarly, you can preview and test different languages before launch in a production workspace. So this was an example of public sheet API. Now, let us look at the other options available. So localization can also be achieved by a provider or the list of partners here. Let us take a quick look at SheetDB, which allows you to turn sheets into JSON API for easier access. All you need to do is link a Google Sheet and configure the settings and permissions within SheetDB, followed by a connected content call to SheetDB API using read or search options as desired. So now let us preview a content block for a custom user again, and this time we will do it with the help of SheetDB. Here is a content block with the call to the SheetDB API, and the results are again saved in a local variable, which is then accessed for a specific type of message and the resulting language options. So let us look at here. So for a custom user, I'm going to set the language as ES again, and we will see. So here you go. Here is the response in the Spanish language for the welcome email. Hope you found this session helpful. This was Harsh from Massive Rocket, and thanks for your time. Stay tuned for more content.